Before you continue scrolling, take a moment and click the link in the description. This is something you might genuinely appreciate later. Here's why this product has gained so much attention. It combines smooth performance, impressive design quality, and a level of ease of use that makes it accessible for absolutely anyone. It's dependable, well-crafted, and surprisingly refined. What impressed me the most was the consistency. Many products look promising but fail to deliver when you try them in real life. This one, however, exceeded every expectation I had. If you've been looking for something that's both practical and reliable, something that adds real value without unnecessary complexity, then I highly recommend you check this out. Click the link in the description and experience it for yourself. You'll understand why so many people are recommending it. Wait, Before you continue scrolling, take a moment and click the link in the description.